In this video, we're going to go over the hardwood floor edger used to get into the corners and other areas a drum sander can't reach. The edger comes with a 25-foot cord and has a light to help you in those hard-to-get-into areas. Wear hearing and eye protection, a dust mask, and sturdy shoes. Don't wear loose clothing. Unplug the machine when changing sandpaper. Sawdust is combustible, so ensure any open flames such as pilot lights are shut off. If possible, provide ventilation by opening windows. First, put the dust bag and sandpaper on the edger while it's unplugged. Rest the edger on its casters, tilt it back off the disc pad, and turn it on. Remember that the edger must be kept moving to avoid gouging the floor. You don't need to put pressure on the edger. For best results, work in a semi-circular motion. Moving left to right in 12 to 18-inch sections, level the floor from where the drum sander left off into the corners or edges of the floor it couldn't reach. You can also cut in along baseboards, then work your way out to where the belt sander left off. Start off with a coarser grit paper and go over the work with successive changes to finer grits. Unplug the edger before dusting it off and emptying the bag. At Sunbelt Rentals, we rent the tools and equipment customers need to accomplish anything they want to do. I hope this basic operational guide to the hardwood floor edger has given you all the information you'll need. For further information, please contact us at 1-844-SBR-TOOL. Thanks for watching.